Okay, so we're just starting the Holland Falls Trail out here in the Swan area in Montana. So we're headed out to some nice falls. Check it out, huh? Cold? It's a little bit breeze today, but the sun's starting to come out. It's a beautiful day for this Holland Falls Trail.
Sure is.
Got our family. Brooke's mom and dad are with us. Having a good time so far, buddy?
Yeah.
Didn't even see the falls yet. You're having a great time. Look how beautiful. Every now and then you can see the falls, see where you're headed. We're about halfway there right now. It's been a really easy hike so far, but the elevation is coming. It's coming. Beautiful view, beautiful view. How you doing, Liz?
I'm good.
All right. About halfway up the elevation.
Sis, yeah? Are you tired? No. You were made for hiking.
So some of the views out here on the way up to the Holland Falls are just amazing, where you can see the falls continue all the way down to the lake. It's gorgeous views the whole way up. We really want to check this hike out. Nothing like lunchtime on the rocks, huh guys?
Yeah.
There it was, the Holland Falls Trail. I mean, what a beautiful trail this is. It's a really pretty easy 1.5 mile hike, but there is a little bit of elevation. You're about 490 feet of elevation from the level of the lake, and but it's so worth it. So beautiful, right girls?
The one thing I've discovered about hiking for me is that I would go faster down hikes, through hikes, and I really wouldn't see anything. I just was looking for me, but
yeah.
now I go at a more moderate pace, and I can take it all in.
Oh, you can
enjoy it.
Oh, gotcha.
So the great thing about this hike is you have lake views pretty much the whole time, lake and mountain views the whole time, plus you see the beautiful tamaracks and pines along the trail. There's a nice breeze today. I don't know how it is in August, but
it's always a nice breeze. That's one of the, you can just order a breeze. It's always a nice breeze.
And then it not only is it beautiful along the way, but it has a really great payoff with the falls at the end. So highly recommend it.